no AI can take this, and probably this is the only area AI will not be able to touch.
But marketing or business development strategies are slightly gone in the back end because it's not directly to the consumer.
Okay, so you know what you're asking me, I charge a lot of money for. No, seriously, I'm not joking. You ask for the key to doing things. You've seen residential property when it's happening, Godrej, Shobha, all those things. But why don't you see ad for commercial real estate? The current situation is where the people are valued for intelligence, critical thinking, and also strategy. Today, actually starting a shop, retail shop is a big business anywhere of you can. We have a fantastic training institutes. We have fantastic people like you. There is going to be phenomenal growth in this. So I personally believe that civil engineer architects have got multiple opportunities away from the traditional what you were doing. So selling a commercial space is definitely different than what you sell as a residential, as a shop front, as a mall, or as various aspects. Top 100 corporate firms, Amazon, Google, Uber, if they become net zero, 80% of greenhouse gases will be over. So first of all, you need to understand yourself first. What do you enjoy doing? Making the structural drawing, making the drawing, or constructing the house, or you want to. So you need to understand this first. What is your core strength? So basically what I understand and what I personally feel is going to happen, it is going to happen through connections, through empathy, and through your social network. No algorithm can take this. They cannot take this. So the next level of selling, if you want to call it, business development, if you want to call it, next level of selling, next level of making your organization as a sustainable business model is going to happen from your social connections, from your empathy with the person you're talking to, that you want to give him or her the best product, the best services, the best solution, and your network. That is where it's going. So no AI can take this, and probably this is the only area AI will not be able to touch. This is what is going to work for all of us, and that will come from heart. It has always been startup place, ecosystem, because of the skills and talent available here. The biggest startup started here, Infosys. They changed the way. So every ecosystem has to have talent pool. Every startup has to have a talent pool. So of course we are having 10,000 startups in Bangalore, but then we are having Fortune 500 companies in Bangalore. You go to Belandur Road, Outer Ring Road, you'll see 500 of them lined up from here to the airport. So why they are here? Because of the startup. Because the talent they attract, because of talent, and all these things are there. So there is personally speaking, it is India's time now. Next 5-10 years is India times. There is going to be phenomenal growth in this across India. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, NCR. There's so much work happening here now that this dearth of talent now. 30% of AI talent is in India. But you need more and more and more. And that is where the whole ecosystem has developed. We have a fantastic training institutes. We have fantastic people like you at SN. A lot of things are here. So everything is geared up to fill this gap. And so this is where we are. I think startup capital as well as it is IT capital as well.